So, firstly we will start Surya Namaskar. After seeing the 12 poses of Surya Namaskar, now we will go for some of the asanas. So, firstly, we will see the lotus pose or Padma Asana and its benefits. So, lotus pose or Padma Asana helps us to stretches the ankle and the knees, clamps the brain, increases awareness and attentiveness, keep the spine straight, and helps to develop good posture. It also helps for the woman to ease menstrual discomfort and sciatica. It also helps to keep joint and ligament flexible. Now we will go for Vajra Asana and the Ardha Kurma Asana and its benefits. Now we will discuss the benefits of Vajrasana. Vajrasana helps to keep the mind calm and stable. It also helps to cure the digestive acidity and gas formation. Sometimes it enhances the relief of knee pain. It also strengthens our thigh muscles, also relief to our back pain. Now we will go for the benefits of Ardha Kurma Asana. Ardha Kurma Asana helps to increase the blood flow of the brain. It also helps to enhance the memory and the brain function. It also strengthens the shoulders. It gives relief to the neck and the shoulder pain. Uttanpada Asana helps us a lot. It helps to prevent acidity, indigestion, constipation. It also cures back pain and strengthens the abdominal organs. Now we will go for Bhujanga Asana and its benefits. Bhujanga Asana helps to strengthen the spines. It also tones and stimulates the abdominal organs. It also helps to relieve the stress and fatigue. It also opens the hearts and lungs and soothes sciatica. Now we will go for Akonda Dhanurasana. Akonda Dhanurasana is also known as the Archer's Yoga pose. It helps us to open our hips and shoulders. It helps in joint pain. It also gives the strength to our arms, backs and hips. Now we will go for Ustrasana and its benefits. Ustrasana is also known as the camel pose. It helps to reduce the fat on thighs. It helps to expand the abdominal region and improving the digestion and elimination. It helps to improve the posture. It loosens up the vertebrae. It also helps to stretch and strengthens the shoulders and the back. Now we will go for Trikona Asana and its benefits. Trikona Asana increases stability. It also activates our core muscles, which aids in balance and stability. It also stretches and lengthens the spine. This pose can reduce stiffness in the spine and back, resulting in increased flexibility. Now it's time to tribute our Dr. Put on your mask properly. Keep a safe distance. Wash your hands with any soaps and sanitizer to keep your hand virus free.
Do yoga every day.